National President BJP Mahila encourages Meghalaya BJP woman leader. The National President of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Mahila Vanithi Srinivasan, arrived in Shillong today to encourage another woman BJP leader of Meghalaya to prepare well for the upcoming MLA elections 2023. Speaking with the media persons, Vanithi Srinivasan strongly acclaimed that she trusts the women leaders of the state to produce many more women leaders having the potential to win the upcoming elections.
Namaskar, Vanakkam, good afternoon to all my media friends. I have come here for my organizational visit. After becoming National President of Bharatiya Janata Party's Mahila Morcha, this is my first visit to the state of Meghalaya. How Mahila Morcha is functioning in Meghalaya and what is their issues and how the training to be imparted to the Karyakartas or the office bearers and how for coming assembly election Mahila Morcha could help the state unit to get more MLAs in the state. And all these things have been discussed today in our office bearers meeting. Our state team members and district presidents and mandal presidents all were present today. And our state president, Mr. Mauriji, had come, and Mr. Hek, our MLA, also attended the event. Today we have discussed and how we can bring more women into the party and how we can develop them as leaders to serve for the people. And here some of the Mahila Morcha office bearers, they have expressed their hope that as a nationalist political party is serving better to the people, even though our backgrounds or the languages or the diversity in respect of the region or the language or the religion, but as an Indian, that oneness has to be the character of the unity, that the sense of the belongingness has to be imported in the minds of the people. These are all the people are there. They are already there working in the areas. And when finally the state unit, when they are going to decide about the candidates, then that time from Mahila Morcha, our state president would be there. So that she will give the list and she would say that what are all the work they have done at the assembly level.